My 4-year-old just got a Marble Run set for his birthday, and so he has been all about all things marble and building to make the tracks as cool as can be. With that being said, we've been trying to add on to the collection by getting a couple of different brands and seeing what they're all about, and it has been really difficult actually to find something that fits with his previous one. So I was so excited to find out that our Marble Mania set was actually compatible with this Eye Follower set. The pieces on both of these are really similar in how they're designed and how they look, but I actually think the Eye Follower set pieces actually went together better. They were a little bit tighter on each other, so they were more secure. But then the Marble Mania set actually has some texture on the lip of the actual pieces, so they do have a way to kind of grip together as well. Some of the pieces, like that little funnel or toilet type piece from the Marble Mania set, are a little bit larger than the Eye Follower set, but I've noticed that the Eye Follower set did come with a lot more unique pieces rather than just a lot of the straight pieces, which definitely allowed for us to build really complex things right off the bat. It was tons of fun being able to put this together with him, really nostalgic, and it's definitely one of those toys that gets better with the more pieces that you have. Now, going back to the comparison, I like the Marble Mania one for those straight pieces because you can actually build things taller or wider, and those do a really good job of being the stability for the whole build. And then, like I said before, the Eye Follower set has more unique pieces but less of that stability piece, which can definitely make it hard to do taller builds or to use all of the really cool pieces and tracks that it comes with if you don't have those straight pieces that allow for, again, that height. Now, both sets come with a ton of marbles. There's glass and plastic marbles included in both of the sets here. And aside from that, it was just tons of fun. We made so many different builds. My son had so much fun just racing all the marbles at once and embracing all the chaos of it all, and then tearing it down and building something new or just continuing to add on to it. I love this one for a good STEM toy, but also just because we can continue to buy more of these sets and his builds and structures will get taller and larger and so much more fun, which hopefully means this is a toy that will be used for many, many years.